Hey guys, I have something to tell you that I haven't told anyone before.
Oh my god!
It's over here. Let me show you.
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a couple of days.
Dude, this is terrifying. I might have messed up.
Hey guys, I have something to tell you that I haven't told anyone before. You ready to hear it? It's over here. Let me show you. Okay guys, are you ready for my big secret? I have a mug collection.
Oh, wait, my bad. This is my energy drink collection.
This is my mug collection. See, I got a Valley of Fire State Parks. I got the DIY mug, and then it has a bunch of DIY life hacks on it. I've been meaning to try some of these. Oh yes, this classic The Room mug should do perfectly.
You're tearing me apart, Lisa! I love it. Flip this bad boy over, grab some water. I swear this is water, not finishing spray. Oh yes, very misty. Ooh. Ooh, that smells like it still has some setting spray in it. Anyway, let's test this knife. Wow. I'm gonna need a different knife. Let's try this knife. Okay. Maybe not. Let's try this one.
Nope. Nope.
Anyway, back to sharpening. You hear that? It's music to my ears. Let's see if this mug hack actually did the trick. Oh, look at that. I think that's called a boomerang cut. I could not replicate that, guys. I mean, it is a little bit sharper. I think we need to keep doing this. For science, at least. Okay, we'll try this again. Whoa. Look how much sharper that is. That's nuts! That's amazing! I wonder what else I can slice with this. I'm gonna try and cut a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola me, guys. Oh, maybe we shouldn't stab the Coca-Cola. Get me a soda can. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, and... I don't think it worked. How about this? Ooh. Ha! Ha, 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 ha! 1, 2, and... Guys, I don't think it's sharp enough. Well, I'm gonna have to say that that didn't work. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, it's time for us to take a little trip to the shed. Oh! Oh! Okay, guys, here's my shed. Isn't it really cool? This is where I keep my wood. And,
Is it
also the
time
intern.
for work?
I forgot about that. No, buddy. I'm just grabbing some.
What?
You can go lay back down. I'm just here to grab some wood. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm
hungry.
Say what?
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a couple of days.
Here you go. You can have that. This should do. Okay, cool. Have fun with your wood. I'll see you in like 6 hours. Okay?
This when work starts?
Okay. But
This when work starts? What?
Okay, guys, so we got this really cool piece of wood from the shed, and I would use the sandpaper and just glue it on, but I've gotten so much super glue on my fingers, I don't really want to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this tread tape instead. I got this from Harbor Freight. It was a couple dollars, so I think you just take it off, rip a piece off, and there should be adhesive on the back. Ooh, there we go, and it'll just stick right on. Okay, so we got another giant throwing knife. I don't think that this was actually even a throwing knife. I don't even know what this would be considered at this point. Anyway, here's the sharpness test. Wow. Dang, this is actually really sharp already.
Nope.
So let's see if this bad boy will actually get sharper. Okay, you guys ready for the sharpness test? Wow. Wow. honestly. I don't know. I think it's actually a little bit more dull. Yeah, the cuts in this are definitely not as clean as before. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna have to say that this one doesn't work. Now let's go on to the next craft. Guys, so the first thing we're gonna need are some flap discs. And I noticed that theirs were actually slightly used. That way the outside would be slightly caved in a little bit. Here's an example of a new set. See, that would probably just mess up your knife. Versus an old set, you actually have a little bit of room to put something in there. And then they got a little spacer to put inside of this. I don't really have a spacer, but I have a bunch of lights, so I'll be right back. There we go. Got myself a light stand. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy apart. Oh, okay, well, don't need that anymore. Now I'm gonna insert it into the flap discs, grab myself a Sharpie, and that's where I need to cut it. Let's take this bad boy to the vise. A boobity boo. Okay, so I think I messed up the little edge right there, so I'm just gonna go in and clean that up. It's also very hot still. I think that's as close as we're gonna get. It's very bent now. I think I might have messed up a little bit. Okay guys, I went in with a pair of pliers and I kind of cleaned this up a little bit. And now, it should fit. Oh yes, fits perfectly. It's the perfect shape. Beautiful. Okay guys, I grabbed some more washers to hopefully help this thing stay in place. It's too big. Maybe this one? Oh, I think that'll work. They fit in perfectly. So we're gonna go washer, washer, washer? We're just gonna have 10 washers in there. Haha! And then we're gonna insert all the washers in there. Oh my gosh, this is actually working. I'm gonna need more washers though. Get in there. Dude, this can hold so many washers.
A few washes later.
Then we put our final washer on, screw that bad boy down. You're gonna wanna really torque it down. So I got myself a pair of vice grips. Oh yes, really just clamp onto it and just tighten this bad boy down. I think I'm gonna need a slightly longer bolt. Okay, and we're all done. Go ahead and put this in our drill. Yes, this isn't dangerous at all. So now we're gonna grab yet another throwing knife that was confiscated by Rusty's mom. He had multiple sets of these, so these were great. She was just like, happy birthday, Robbie. And I was like, my birthday isn't for another 2 months. Anyway, you know, it's surprisingly sharp for a 12-year-old, but it definitely could be sharper. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this for my 12-year-old self. Honestly, I probably got these a lot sharper, but you know, as I started throwing them at things, they started to get more dull. So here we go. Oh my God! This is like a knife launcher, which is also ironically something that me and Rusty made as a kid. We were completely unsupervised. Anyway. This is dangerous. This physically feels very dangerous. And it's just scratching up my knife. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is terrifying. Okay, it very much scratched up my knife. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Look how scratched up that is now. Oh, now let's do the old sharpness test. It's honestly probably about the same, if not maybe a little worse. So I definitely think the new cuts are a little bit more dirty than the old cuts. Here's one of the other knives just as an example. Oh wow. That's actually not bad. Well guys, I think I'm gonna have to say that this method doesn't really work. Kind of unfortunate. A little scary because it definitely feels like it's a knife launcher. Watch this. Let's see if I can launch a knife. Watch this, guys. Ooh, I did it! And that, guys, is why you always wear a safety mask. What's up, guys? Professional crafter here, back to you yet again with another riveting unboxing. And by riveting, I mean we're unboxing a rivet gun. Oh man, I haven't used one of these in ages. I'm excited. So we grab one of our rivets and just poke it through all of our little sandpaper boys. Boopity boop. Stick that together. Then we grab our rivet gun, stick it right in there. Ugh. Okay, that's hard to squeeze. Guys, I think I might have messed up. Don't go all the way with the rivet gun, okay? Okay, I'm ready. We got one kind of good one in there. And here is the brand new sharpen side. Oh, maybe it was a fluke. Guys, it's actually slightly sharper, but not by much. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to say that this method actually, kind of works.
Just going to ignore that.
Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. It looks something like this, and you can find it right down there. If you guys like this video, make sure to check out my last video where I try a bunch of Inventor 101 hacks. Okay, guys, I love you so much. I'll see you guys again real soon. Peace, love, and Wi-Fi. Bye!